How to close your WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can close your WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to close your WorldRemit account, just go to WorldRemit.com. Now normally, like other platforms, you cannot delete the account from the settings of WorldRemit. You have to contact the customer support team in order to delete your WorldRemit account. Now in order to do this process, what you have to do is just go ahead and first of all go to WorldRemit.com, sign into the account, then just click the help option from the navigation menu as you can find them here. Then on the right hand side you can see different help topics. You have to look for this option called managing my account as you can find them, and then just click on it. Once you click the managing my account option here, you can see different types of account management issues. Scroll down, look for the option called how do I close my WorldRemit account, and then just click on this how do I close my WorldRemit account button. Then here you'll see this article, to disable your WorldRemit account please contact us, which means that you have to click this contact us link. When you click on this link, it will open up in a new tab with the contact us form most likely. When you scroll down over here, you'll be able to see a list of contact information numbers. So depending upon which region you live in, such as Asia, Africa, or Australia, Oceania, or even Europe, or even America, United Kingdom, US, Canada, just call the customer service number based on your own region. Now once you've done that, if you don't see a country listed here, you can see for the rest of the world you also have this other customer support line. Then once you've done that, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then deactivate or delete your WorldRemit account, but you have to let the customer support know about it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.